Hey guys, today we're going to have a quiz over ionic and covalent bonding. I just wanted to show you this first. On your Google Classroom on Monday, we will be meeting here. I'll post a link on Sunday so you can know when. You can click on this on Monday and we will have a time when we will meet together. You can do it from your phone, so no worries. I'll send out a message on Monday, and as long as you're there, I will be able to see you. Okay, so we are going to review ionic and covalent bonding so that we can take a quiz today. So remember, ionic bonds are between metals and nonmetals. So it's going to be between metals on the left side of the table and nonmetals on the right side of the periodic table. So you're going to need to use your periodic table. Electrons are transferred because metals have a positive charge and nonmetals have a negative charge. So when we write out our example, like magnesium sulfide, remember, we name the metal first, and then we name the nonmetal, and then we add IDE to the end. Okay, so for example, magnesium sulfide. Now, let's say I want to have the formula for this. Remember, because we transferred charges, we have to transfer our electrons. So magnesium has a charge of 2 plus. Sulfur has a charge of 2 minus. So we switch them. Okay. Now, remember, you could write this Mg2S2, but if they're the same, we just actually leave the 2's off and we write Mg and S. Okay, so in covalent bonds, nonmetals and nonmetals, they are shared. So we use prefixes. We still add IDE and don't put mono in the first space. So if I want to do my formula between nitrogen and oxygen, I put dinitrogen monoxide. So remember, you have your prefixes. Di means 2. So that must mean that I have 2 nitrogens, and mono means 1 and 1 oxygen. Okay, so remember, the first thing you do is you look at it to see if they've got a metal or a nonmetal. When you do that, if it's 2 nonmetals, you use prefixes. So I would take my 2 and say dinitrogen monoxide. The reason we use this one and only write the name of the metal, the nonmetal "ide," is because they are ionic. So you have to look at that first. So if there is a metal in it, we just write name the metal, name the nonmetal, and put IDE. If there's a nonmetal and a nonmetal, you put IDE on the end and you use prefixes. So when you go to do this quiz, you can look back at this video to help you. Okay, so be sure you look back because you're going to need all your prefixes right here. Okay, so the quiz is going to be on Google Forms. When you take it and turn it in, you are done for today.